from the mountains of the Ecuadorian highlands, in a simple but powerful act, one of the most consumed and delicious Ecuadorian foods is born: corn. Right here in the highlands, it is where all that raw material, harvested with love and ancestral knowledge, become crujidos, a snack that complies with all the quality and technical manufacturing processes so that its flavor prevails. Our manufacturing facility, located in Pichincha, Ecuador, has been equipped with the best machinery and protocols, which warranties the highest hygiene and quality standards in the industry. We also have an efficient supply chain that reaches almost the entire Ecuadorian territory, ensuring ship and delivery in the shortest time possible. Crujidos is produced and branded by Industria de Alimentos D2 Ecuador S.A. It's a major producer of a large variety of snacks, hot and cold sauces, jams, and dressings. That is why we have experience to bring you the best product. Crujidos is 100% natural product, free of transgenic and gluten. It is a healthy flavor that generates employment throughout farming, manufacturing, and shipping. We are a company with great environmental practices targeted to social responsibility. Crujidos, the healthy Ecuadorian snack.